Flåm, a beautiful village in Norway. Embark on the most scenic railway journey in the world by visiting Flåm Norway. The Flåmsbana is a beautiful train journey offering a panoramic view of the sum of the most wonderful nature in the Norwegian Fjord landscape, one of the steepest standard railway line in the world. It took 20 years to build this 20-meter long train ride. The farm is full of beautiful nature and landscape. If you are nature lover, you can visit farm to experience the raw beauty of nature. The Flåm cruise takes you into some of the most astounding sceneries in Norway, counted as a beautiful village in Norway. It is one of the most popular attractions for people traveling between the cities of Oslo and Bergen. Tourists from various parts of the world visit Norway for experiencing this train ride and beauty of nature. Hope you like this video. Thank you. Do like, comment and share. Have a nice day.